I've seen a lot of different UFO videos in my time. This one is the oddest one I've ever seen. It's a horseshoe-shaped craft that was seen over Charlotte, North Carolina. And watch as it floats behind the trees in broad daylight. There were multiple eyewitnesses, and the eyewitness here got out of their car, his husband and wife, grabbed their phone and started filming this. It floated in the sky with no lights on it and was completely silent before shooting away. I also love how it goes behind this lamppost, which is very difficult to fake if you're an amateur using Photoshop. Not something you can do easily. What do you think it is?